Do you want your face to glow so much on wedding day that people can't stop staring at you? Are you tired of those expensive creams and parlor treatments that have no effect? Then this video is only for you, because I'm going to tell you a secret that no one else will tell you. This is not magic. No chemicals, no injections. This is a natural thing that exists in your own kitchen. And if you use it correctly, then before Eid, your skin will become so glowing and bright that you will be shocked looking at yourself in the mirror. But be careful, if you leave this video in the middle, that one important secret that can transform your skin from within will slip out of your hands. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Friends, today I am going to tell you such a secret and extremely effective overnight trick that can truly enhance your skin. Let me tell you, this is not a difficult or expensive thing, but a very common thing that is easily found in every household. Yogurt. Yes, that same plain yogurt that you use every day. Listen carefully. If you use this yogurt in a special way, then before Eid, your skin will become so glowing, so bright, and so shining that you will be amazed looking at yourself in the mirror. No expensive cream, no parlor treatment, no chemicals, just a natural magic that will transform your skin from within. Let me explain. This does not just bring shine on the surface, but makes your skin soft, hydrated, and clean and radiant like milk from within. But wait, there is a very small but extremely important secret here. Just applying this pack is not enough. There is also a way to lock in its glow, which I will tell you later. If you follow this entire method correctly, then on Eid day, your glowing skin will become the center of everyone's attention. People will look at you and ask what you did, and you will just smile. I assure you, if you don't miss a single step, the result will surprise you. So I will request you to listen to this video carefully till the end. Don't skip any part, because every small and big detail is very important. If even one point is missed, you will not get the benefit you desire. Now, everyone's skin is different. Some people have dark spots on their face. Some are troubled by acne marks. Some have black patches on their face. And some have very dull and lifeless skin. Some just want to become fair. Some just want glow, and some want to make their skin soft and hydrated. Let me tell you, this one thing is the solution to all of these. Yes, no expensive cream, no parlor treatment, just a simple thing from your home. But when you use it correctly, overnight, your skin will show such an effect that when you wake up in the morning, you will be shocked looking at yourself in the mirror. Your skin will not only look fresh, but will become glowing, white, fair, bright, soft, and like milk. And the best part is that you will start seeing this effect in just 2 days. Now let me explain. You have to do this entire method in 2 parts. On the first night, you have to do a special trick that I'm about to tell you. On the second night, you have to do another trick. You just need to understand the correct method, apply it correctly, and inshallah, by Eid, your face will become so glowing and fair that people will be amazed looking at you. But remember, you must watch the video till the end. Do not skip at all, because if even one point is missed, you will not get the benefit you desire. Everything is important. Quantity, time, method, and precautions. Everything is very important. So get ready, because today's trick will cleanse your skin from within, lighten dark spots and black patches, and give you a beautiful natural glow. But let me tell you, this is only the first step, meaning the pack for fairness and cleansing. The thing that locks in the glow and whiteness, I will tell you after applying this pack, because you need to do this first. Only then will we lock in this beautiful glow so that the shine lasts until Eid. Now let me explain what is the correct way to make this pack. It is very easy, and every ingredient is available in your home. Listen carefully, because even a small mistake can reduce the effect. First, take a clean bowl. Let me tell you, add 1 cup of fresh yogurt to it. Now add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, besan, and mix it well so that there are no lumps. After that, add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and mix again well. Now add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to it. If it is cold or solidified, lightly melt it with the warmth of your hands. Then add half a tablespoon of turmeric, but very carefully because you should not add too much turmeric. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix the entire mixture well. Let me explain. Mixing it with your hands rather than a spoon is better so that all the ingredients blend well and a little warmth is also generated. Its consistency should be such that when you lift the spoon, it falls slowly. If it becomes too thin, add a little more chickpea flour, and if it becomes too thick, add a little yogurt to balance it. Listen carefully. Always make this pack fresh. Never make it and store it for later use. Especially during Ramadan, make it during the daytime when you are fasting. Let me tell you, this pack is completely natural. It has no chemicals, no expensive ingredients. In fact, it is more effective than expensive market creams because it goes deep into your skin and works. But remember, you will only get the benefit if you apply it correctly and remove it correctly. Now let me explain what preparation you need to do before applying this pack. First, apply the pack immediately after making it. Never use it after storing it. If you go outside, try to avoid sunlight completely. If it is necessary to go out, wrap a scarf or dupatta properly so that the sun's effect does not fall on your skin. First, wash your face with plain water. Do not use any soap or face wash, just plain water. Then gently pat your face dry with a soft towel. Make sure your face is completely clean and dry. Now take a clean hand or brush. Let me tell you, pick up the pack with your fingers and apply it thickly on your face. Yes, the thicker you apply it, the better the effect will be. Apply it well on the forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, everywhere. And one very important thing, apply it on your neck as well because the neck often becomes dark. But be careful, do not apply it under the eyes, on the lips, or too close to the eyes. Now comes the most important step, massage. Listen carefully. You have to massage your face gently in circular motions for 10 to 15 minutes. This massage will increase your blood circulation, remove dirt and grime, and quickly make your skin fair and glowing. Let me explain. When you are massaging, you will feel that this pack is gradually penetrating into your skin. If your skin is oily, it will absorb the extra oil. If your skin is dry, coconut oil will make it soft. If someone has acne, this pack will help dry out the pimples. And if there are dark spots, coffee and turmeric will help lighten them. Now let me tell you what to do after the massage. Leave the pack on your face and let it dry completely. This will take about 20 to 25 minutes. During this time, sit back and relax. Don't do any work. You can watch TV, recite prayers, or just rest, but do not touch your face at all. You might be wondering why letting it dry is so important. Let me explain. When this pack dries, it captures the dirt, grime, and dead skin cells from your skin. If you wash it off before it dries, that dirt will not come out. Now listen very carefully. This is the point where most people make mistakes. If your skin is very sensitive or you are feeling a burning sensation, immediately wash it off with cold water. Do not rub at all, just gently cleanse. But if your skin is normal and you truly want glow, fairness, and shine, then do not use water at all. Yes, you heard that absolutely right. When the pack is completely dry, you have to remove it by rubbing it off with dry hands. Rub gently with pressure using your fingers in circular motions all over your face, from top to bottom, right to left, in every direction. Let me tell you, when you do this, the pack will peel off your skin like a layer, and along with it, all the dirt, dead skin, and dark layer will also come off. When most of the pack has come off and a little remains, then lightly apply some water and cleanse your face. And then you will see for yourself how clean, how glowing, how soft, and how radiant your face looks. Let me tell you, the difference is clearly visible in just one use. Acne marks start to look lighter, dark spots appear reduced, and the skin feels very fresh. Now let me explain why this method is so effective. When you rub off this dry pack, it gives your skin a natural exfoliation. The light grit of coffee powder, the cleansing of chickpea flour, and the lactic acid of yogurt. All of these together cleanse your skin from within. Coconut oil and honey moisturize your skin. But due to rubbing, the extra oil also comes off, and the result is a clean, glowing, oil-free, fair face. If your skin is oily, focus a little more while rubbing so that the extra oil comes off well. If your skin is dry, do not rub too hard. Do it gently so that the skin does not stretch. If someone has acne and if pimples appear after rubbing, then do not apply this pack the next day. And if there are dark spots, turmeric will gradually lighten them. But for that, you need to do it continuously for at least 2 days. Let me tell you, if you do this method correctly, in just 2 days, there will be so much difference in your skin that on Eid Day, everyone will ask you what you did.
But wait, there is a very important point here. This pack will make your skin fair, clean, and glowing. But how will this glow and fairness last until Eid? If you stop here, this effect will only last for 2 or 3 days. Therefore, locking in this glow is very important. Let me tell you, there is a special locking cream for this that you need to apply at night. If you miss this step, all your hard work could go to waste. This locking cream is also completely natural. After this, you will not need any expensive cream or fairness product. In fact, if you use outside creams, it could even be harmful. Now let me explain how to make this special locking cream. Take a small saucepan. Add 1 cup of fresh milk to it and heat it on low flame. Be careful, you do not need to boil it, just warm it lightly. Now add 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour, besan, while continuously stirring so that no lumps form. It will gradually turn into a creamy paste. Now turn off the gas and add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon of almond oil or coconut oil, which will make this cream soft and moisturizing.
After that, add 2 tablespoons of rose water, which will make it light and fragrant. Finally, add a pinch of turmeric and mix well. Now the cream is ready. After cooling, it will become even creamier. Store it in a clean jar and keep it in the refrigerator. It will easily last for 7 to 10 days. Let me explain why this cream is important. The first pack cleanses your skin, but this cream locks in the glow. Milk naturally keeps the skin bright. Chickpea flour controls excess oil. Honey locks in moisture, and oil makes the skin soft. Now let me tell you how to use it. Before sleeping at night, wash your face and apply a small amount of cream on your face and neck. Massage gently for 5 to 7 minutes and then leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash it off with plain water, and you will see for yourself how glowing and radiant your skin looks. If you are very busy, apply it once during the day, but do not miss the nighttime because it is at night that the skin repairs itself. Now also listen to some important precautions. Before using for the first time, do a patch test. Use very little turmeric because using too much can cause a yellow tint. Always keep the cream in the refrigerator. Avoid sunlight and do not use any other cream along with it. Now understand the entire plan once. For the first 2 days, apply the face pack and apply the cream at night. After that, continue only with the cream. If you follow this entire method, then on Eid Day, your skin will be so beautiful that everyone will keep looking at you. If you like this information, please like the video, share it with your friends and family so that everyone can benefit from this natural method. I pray that God always keeps you happy. May your skin always shine like this, and may your life always remain beautiful.